Hi, this is me and my bird, and we're gonna do a little show. First, what's your name?
Sparky.
And how are you doing, Sparky?
I am wonderful.
What do you like about your owner, Sparky?
She loves me just as much as she can snickerdoodle.
And what do you say to the judges when they ask you, what are you thinking?
You are just so gorgeous.
Sparky also likes to do her sound effects, like this, a cat. Sparky, do a cat.
You are just so gorgeous.
No, a cat.
Meow, meow.
A dog.
Woof, woof. Bark, bark.
Also, she likes to do monkeys. And she likes to do things she hears in the world, like people being robbed.
Hey, give that back. That's my precious gem that's in my purse.
She also likes, what kind of animal likes to eat you, and what's it sound like?
Cat.
And, who's your best friend?
You, of course, and you sound like this. Get out of my room.
What's your best impersonation of Miley Cyrus?
Here's just a picture of me naked in the shower.
Now, take a bow. What do you say?
Thank you.